I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. And I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to summer spring super easy fresh looking natural makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. Okay, let's begin with the foundation. I'm using the Estee Lauder foundation. I'm using the Real Technique sponge and we'll apply it on my face. During this situation, where we are all locked down, I've been only at home, working from home, doing home office, and I've been super lazy with my makeup routine, not my skincare routine, but just my makeup. And yeah, it's time to put some makeup on. I'm using the Catrice concealer to hide my dark circles. I'm going in with the Glowgasm from Tilbury, my favorite cream blush slash highlighter. I like to use it with this MAC brush, the 188 brush. I like to apply it directly to the skin like this, a little bit messy, and then blend it out with the brush. For spring, summertime, I like to use a lot of cream-based products. They look super fresh and natural on the skin. Next product is this cream highlighter by YSL in the shade Light Gold, number 1. It's almost empty and it's just perfect. Again, using the same brush to blend it out. Like this. Then I like to fill out my brows using this Maybelline eyebrow pencil. I want to add some more highlighter, and this is the Dior Backstage Glow palette. I like to use this fan brush and mix all the shades together for some extra glow. And bronzer, of course, to add some warmth to the skin. Like this. Okay, I'll apply some lipstick. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick. I did a review reviewing the Charlotte Tilbury products. You can check it out. I'm gonna link it and also in the description box. This is the shade, super pretty natural nude shade. It's my lips but better. And it smells super nice. Ooh, I forgot. Eyebrow mascara, the Maybelline Brow Drama Mascara, one of my all-time favorite brow products. I like to brush them upwards. Like this. And it's time for eyeshadows. Let me zoom you in. Okay, I'm using the Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 palette, and the first shade I'm gonna use is called Kind. And today I'm gonna use super natural bright shades, nothing dramatic, just super pretty subtle eye makeup look. Next shade is Loyal. It's a bit deeper shade. And then I'll take the shade Honest using my finger and apply it. Nothing complicated, easy to achieve. I'll take the shade Passionate. And blend it out with Loyal. To finish off the eye makeup, I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. Not that much. And also, to add some more color to the skin, I'm using the MAC Melba Blush for some more fresh looking skin. And this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!